In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Doge future, while talking about DOGECOIN cost conjecture for 2023, and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like DOGECOIN. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the DOGECOIN value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Doge is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will Doge succeed or come up short, or for what reason will DOGECOIN value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge in its to-date history. DOGECOIN value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high, in the midst of more extensive market declines, brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so forth into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and principal evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 03 to 10, 0.01% dollar, 0.0746, 2023 03 to 11, plus 5.93% dollar, 0.0790, 2023 03 to 12, plus 0.64% dollar, 0.0751, 2023 03 to 13, plus 1.30% dollar, 0.0756, 2023 03 to 14, plus 0.70% dollar, 0.0751, 2023 03 to 15, plus 6.20% dollar, 0.0792, 2023 03 to 16, 0.10% dollar, 0.0745, 2023 03 to 17, 1.70% dollar, 0.0733, 2023 03 to 18, 2.26% dollar, 0.072, 9, 2023 03 to 19, 2.94% dollar, 0.0724, 2023 03 to 20, 3.13% dollar, 0.0723 2023 03 to 21 plus 4.58% dollar, 0.0780. DOGECOIN value expectation 2023, April 5.78% dollar, 0.0703 2023 May 11.81% dollar, 0.0658 2023 June 5.59% dollar, 0.0704 2023 July 4.03% dollar, 0.0716 2023 August plus 3.84% dollar, 0.0775 2023 September plus 7.77% dollar, 0.0804 2023 October plus 1.00% dollar, 0.0753 2023 November plus 11.22% dollar, 0.0830 2023 December plus 11.06% dollar, 0.0829 2024 Jan plus 20.59% dollar, 0.0900 2024 February plus 17.93% dollar, 0.0880 2024 Blemish plus 17.60% dollar, 0.0877 Doge value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Doge coming to $0.1063 in 2025. DOGECOIN value forecasts 2030-2040. What DOGECOIN will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees DOGECOIN coming to $0 in 2030. What DOGECOIN will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees DOGECOIN coming to $0 in 2040. Will DOGECOIN supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, DOGECOIN won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could DOGECOIN at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for DOGECOIN to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could DOGECOIN at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for DOGECOIN to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Could DOGECOIN at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for DOGECOIN to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will DOGECOIN go? Our estimating model sees DOGECOIN cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is DOGECOIN worth purchasing? We don't see a brilliant future for DOGECOIN. It merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a decent leave procedure. DOGECOIN is certainly not a decent long-haul hold. Is DOGECOIN a wise venture? DOGECOIN is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it faces a wild rivalry from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a veritable local area, non-including examiners and promotion pursuing group, and the group behind the undertaking is problematic. Could DOGECOIN at any point make you a tycoon? No, DOGECOIN might not cause you a mogul as we at any point too don't see it doing a 10x cost increment anytime from here on out. What amount will DOGECOIN be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.0645. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will no doubt drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will DOGECOIN succeed and become more expensive? DOGECOIN has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no extraordinary incentive, it has a frail group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls DOGECOIN to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. DOGECOIN projections long haul. Most of ventures will fizzle. A few new companies are made just to assemble reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't deal with the opposition. Yet most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet as a general rule, are futile for the market. Subsequently, more than 95% of effective ICOs and digital currency activities will fizzle, and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of undertakings will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will Doge be among those 5%? On the off chance that we tell the truth, there isn't a lot happening for Doge to the side of this inviting and passionate local area. It is preposterous to anticipate a drawn-out DOGECOIN endurance, assuming that is the main pivot for the undertaking. DOGECOIN is gradually dipping under the market cap positions it was in 2017, with not a single specific premium and certifiable use case.